Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice problem for the value of x. 3 to the power x minus 1 is equal to x squared. Let's come to the solution. As we have 3 power x minus 1 is equal to x squared. First of all, we will remove this squared from right hand side by taking square root on both sides. The value of square root is 1 by 2. So we will write here 1 by 2. By taking an exponent 1 by 2 on both sides, we know that if we have a power m whole power n, this is equal to a power m multiplied by n. So the left hand side of this equation will become as 3 power x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to this 2 and this 2 cancel out each other. We will left with x power 1, which is x. Now we will replace this x minus 1 from numerator of the left hand side. So by taking power 1 by x minus 1 on both sides, now by putting the same rule, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m multiplied by n. This x minus 1 from numerator and x minus 1 from denominator cancel out each other. We will left with 3 power 1 by 2 is equal to this right hand side will become as x power 1 by x minus 1. Now we have 3 power 1 by 2. We can write this 2 as 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is same as 2. This is equal to x power 1 by x minus 1. Now we have at the right hand side 3 power 1 by 3 minus 1, and at the right hand side we have x power 1 divided by x minus 1. So by comparing these bases, we get 3 power 1 divided by 3 minus 1, and here x power 1 divided by x minus 1. So we get x is equal to 3, or 3 is equal to x. Or we can write this as 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1. So we have here x is equal to 3 and taking reciprocal on both sides. So we get 3 minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 divided by 1, or divided by 1. We can write this as 3 minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. 3 minus 1, which is 2, and by moving minus 1 from right hand side to left hand side, this will become positive, is equal to x. So we get x is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. In both cases we have x is equal to 3. Now let's verify that whether this value of x, which is 3, is valid or invalid. By putting the value of x, which is 3, in the given equation, this will become 3 power 3 minus 1, whether it is equal or not equal to x squared. This means that 3 squared. Now 3 power 3 minus 1, which is 2, whether it is equal or not equal to 3 squared. This is obviously equal to 9, is equal to 9. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. This means that the value of x, which is 3, is valid for the given equation, or which satisfy this. But there is another solution, another value of x which also satisfy this given question. So let's try the second method. As in the given question we have 3 power x minus 1 is equal to x squared. Let us suppose that the value of x is 1. So by putting 1, 3 power x minus 1 is equal to x squared. X means 1 squared. So this will become 3 power x minus 1 is equal to 1 squared, which is 1. We can write this 1 as, because we know that any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we can write this 1 as 3 power x minus 1 is equal to 3 power 0, because by this rule 3 power 0 is equal to 1. So here the basis, comparing the basis method, we get x minus 1 is equal to 0, and by moving this negative 1 from left hand side to right hand side we get 0 plus 1, which is 1. So this is the second solution. Let's verify that whether this solution is valid or invalid. By putting the value of x, which is 1, in the given equation, 3 power 1 minus 1 is equal to x squared 1 squared. So this means that 3 power 1 minus 1 is 0 is equal to 1 squared, which is 1. As we have discussed earlier, any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is 1 is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we have found that there are two values of x. First one is 3 and second one is 1. These two values satisfy the given equations. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.